Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD JPY in front of us, and the last traded price LTP is 113.21. This is the LTP, last traded price, and we all know that yesterday we had a huge fall on USD JPY. If you look at the chart of DXY, yes, DXY US dollar was under pressure because of the new variant of coronavirus, the vaccine resistant coronavirus. USD was under pressure and JPY was the strongest currency yesterday. As a result, we saw heavy selling on all the JPY pairs. GBP JPY, CAD JPY, USD JPY, all the JPY pairs were under extremely pressure here. Okay. And you can see it broke all the levels here, and lastly it settled at 113.21. So overall it was a massive sell-off. Okay, so now let's look at the levels where we can take the buy or sell positions for the coming week. Okay, so listen to me carefully. So first of all, okay, after the market opening, if USD JPY starts going down, okay, the next support will be at 112. Yes, the next support will be at 112.75 to 112.70. If market comes down, or if market witnesses some selling after the market opening, then 112.75 to 112.70 will be the new support, or will try to provide support to the market, this black line. Okay, so if market bounces from this particular black line, you can take a buy position. Okay, you can take a buy position. But on the other hand, if market fails to get support at this level and market breaks the level, then the next support for USD JPY will be at 112.40. Okay, next will be at 112.40 level. This will be the next new support, or the last support for USD JPY, 112.40, and this support belongs to the weekly chart. So in case 112.7075 level fails to provide, we can hope that this level will be able to provide support to the market. Okay, let's see. And if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then there is a possibility of market reversing from 113.40 level, this dotted line in the middle. Why? Previously this was the support for the market. You can see here on the chart that whenever market came down, this level 113.40 provided support to the market. And as we all know, support become resistance and resistances become support. So in this case, support has become resistance. So market was taking support here, and this level will be acting as the new resistance for the market. Okay, during the last hours, you can see when USD JPY was trying to recover, it faced resistance at this level. So one thing is confirmed, that yes, it will be acting as a minor resistance. Yes, minor resistance for USD JPY. So after market opening, if USD JPY goes up and reverses from 113.40 level, we can take a sell position. But my dear friends, whatever you do, because of the ongoing volatility in the market, please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, and for my wrong analysis you should not be losing your whole capital. So do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's my request. And yes, if market reverses, if you see proper price rejection from above, you can take a sell position at 113.40 level. And if you see good recovery, okay, if market recovers well on Monday, then you can take a buy position above 113.40 as well. But just make sure that you wait for a couple of hours. Why the waiting period is essential? Because you, as I said earlier, support becomes resistances and resistances become support. So if market starts trading above this level for 3 to 4 hours, then we will get the confirmation that the minor resistance has become the support again. Then we can take a buy easily. So let me discuss the points again. If market, wait, zoom out, let me zoom out the chart. Yeah, it's better now. If market comes down to a level of 112.75 to 70, if market bounces, we can take a buy position. But if market fails to take support and breaks the level, the next support or next buying position will be at 112.40 level. And if market goes up on Monday and reverses from the temporary resistance of 113.40 level, we can take a sell position, but this level is temporary, so not much confidence on it. And if market breaks the level and starts going up, then we will not buy immediately, rather we will wait for 3 to 4 hours just for the confirmation whether the resistance has become the support or not. Once we get the confirmation, we are good to go. So this is the overall setup for USD JPY, and these are the trading opportunities for us right now. So be careful and let's see where the market goes. And my dear friends, this is a pro trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market, and I also share two to three live signals each and every day. Apart from trading opportunities, trading setup, and live signal, I do many things. Okay, so if you are interested in knowing about the pro trader program, just go to my website vilasacharika.com. Under the pro trader section, you'll find all the information. Okay, so you can just check it out. So, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.